Alright, respect. Look at this, me catch up, see?
Hi, Mr. Tall, Dark, and Handsome. Is my lunch ready?
Chrissy, what's up? You know, right on time. The curry goat with fried chicken leg, right? It's right here.
Yeah, that's my order. And also, could I have a bottle of room temperature water?
Yeah, man, sure.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. Water. Alright. Sorry, Tuna. Sorry. Oh, room temperature. Sorry. I'm right there, put it in for me, sir. Here we go.
Thank you, Kareem.
You're welcome, Chrissy. Have a good day and thank you again. Alright. Is what?
Is who she? Mr. Tall, Dark, and Handsome.
She live next door. She new in the area, Tony.
Just because she knew in the area. Iswa, the complimentary food and water.
I put it on her bill. She said she have to pay me in the week.
So you know her that way. He has start trust her already.
Tony, I'm going to tell you the bill pay me. Stop perplex me now.
Be perplex. Let me tell you something, sir. I'm not how you run business. You're not even write it down.
You haven't pay for the water? Because I'm me run off the food part, so me know how to deal with it.
Sorry, sir. You should have told me in my mouth. You can't go and trust out your food them over here, so not trust nothing over here, so. You hear that? Me I tell you something good and you not listen to me. Do your business yourself, man.
What go on, man? Look like trouble in a paradise. No food, no cook.
But bossy, what go on, man? Man, food and everything. Yeah, man, I start out the food, man. You alright?
You alright?
Yeah.
You no look so. But anyway, what up on the menu?
Menu? Alright, so me have fried chicken, and me have curry goat, and me have stew peas.
We got curry goat, a piece of fried chicken, some curry gravy and thing. Forward with it. Outside. Young lady, bring a Pepsi. Cool. Thanks.
Kareem owe your money.
Pass about the food for me, please.
We know Kareem owe you $50,000 for the business. See off, yeah.